How to see watched videos on TikTok app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device and click on your profile. After you're in your profile, at the bottom right corner of your screen, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen in here. Then click on Activity Center. After you click on Activity Center, click on Watch History at the top. Now you'll find all the watch history. What you can also do is click on Filter by Date and select yesterday, last week, last month, or you can also select date range as you want. After you do this, press on Apply and it will filter by that month or days. This is how to see watched videos on TikTok app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.